Guys, it's time. It's time for me to step up my vlogging game. It's time to get a full frame camera. It's not a full frame. It's a big boy camera. Let me know in the comments how you think this camera is doing. Is it going to make my channel better, or is it content? Is content king? All right, Dad Random here, and I am vlogging to you for the first time with a full frame camera. This is the Canon EOS R50 and V. So this is the vlogger version of the camera. Guys, you have a lot of choices when you're buying these types of cameras, and this is what I decided. I'm like, the price is good, and so this is my audio test. So the sound that I have set up for the Canon, and this, oh man, it's over 100 degrees, just so you know. This is the DJI Mini system. So the DJI Mini is hooked up to the Canon R50 V, and there's me in the shade right there. All right, take my glasses off so you can get a good check. Now, one of the places that usually gets underexposed is when you're wearing a hat. So how's it doing with my hat? Then of course, we'll put some glasses on. All right, so it is really hot today. So this is a shaded environment. All right, and then I'll go over here to the no-fly zone. There's the Canon. I'm trying. Now, why did I buy this? I've got like 8 cameras, guys. It's time. It's time for me to step up my vlogging game. It's time to get a full frame camera. It's not a full frame. It's a big boy camera. I guess that. And full frame would mean it would have the largest sensor possible. This one is an APS-C camera, and it's just made for vlogging. And the price is great. So the lens I'm using, let's see, this is the 14 to 30 kit lens, autofocus, everything like that. And it does have optical stabe. So, it's got that digital stabilization. So what do you think? I think sound-wise and video-wise, some of you guys might not know the difference. Maybe you do. Maybe you can see a huge difference in having about a 20 millimeter lens, something like that. They always talk about equivalence and things like that, but I'm not a camera connoisseur. It's just my first time with a decent camera. So, all right. So there we go. There's your Dad Random shot right there with the R50 V. Right, it's going to be good. It's a little bit heavier than I'm used to, but I'm paying for a larger sensor. I'm paying for better quality. So bigger than a 1-inch. Usually I'm using the Pocket 3. This is bigger than the Pocket 3, and I can change out my lenses. For example, I probably go with a wider lens than this. So I'm looking right now for something like a 10 to about 14 mil. All right, so 10 to 14 millimeter lens. All right, so let's go in the sun. Let's go back out there and see how it compensates for my. Oh man, it is so hot. I did put this in high temperature mode. I did buy some aftermarket batteries. It comes with about 1,000 milliamp hour, and I bought some 1400s. So of course, me, drone guy, gonna have to get bigger and better batteries. So. All right, how's it doing with the sound? How is the mic system knocking the sound out? I do have a Rode mic that I can knock out on this one too. So, but I'll probably stay with the minis. Okay. So, all right. So we are wired directly into the camera, mini cables, and right. Guys, I am excited. It's time. It's time. Let's get some flowers here. All right. It's time for me. Oh, there we go. Low temp burn caution. All right. I don't know what that means, but I just got a notification by the camera saying, "What are you doing?" I'm gonna tell the camera I don't know. I've never used a camera like this before, but it's fun as crap. I love cameras. So, all right, let's get up in these trees here. I love this filtered light here. These are my New Zealand trees up here. Okay, they call them pineapple guava. They call them something else. I don't know. So anyway, all right. How's that doing? Sounds great, I can imagine. That's DJI sound with Canon optics. So we'll have to check out. We'll see some differences, I can imagine. You know, I can imagine we might be getting hot. You know, is it going to compensate for me? Let's see, is it adjusting? All right, there we go. A little bit of auto white balance right there. Guys, I'm going to keep this thing in auto. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. So, but there it is, Dad Random. He is now in the big boy camera realm, and hey, we can only get better. All right, later, Dad Random with the Canon R50 V. Setup there was definitely a learning curve for me. I never abused a camera like this. And all right, I mean, there's the new grill project going on right there. So I've got a Ulanzi selfie stick. It's a U16. So, all right. Okay, let me know in the comments how you think this camera is doing. Is it going to make my channel better? Or is it content? It's content king. It's quality matter? I think it does. Anyway, later, Dad Random. Thank you.